This vlog starts with some dawn footage. Just look at these colors. Nature is getting ready to wake up. Since our country house is far from Moscow, this summer we decided to drive there only at night, to avoid traffic, and arrive at sunrise. Then we'd go to sleep and actually feel refreshed, and like those times when we used to leave for the house at dawn and end up feeling sluggish for the rest of the day.
Hello! Today we are going to have a boat trip down the river. Our road will be 40 kilometers long, and now we are going to load all the stuff we have. There will be 3 of us, and actually we don't know how we will manage to load all the stuff because we have quite a lot. Okay, let's go.
The weather was on our side during the trip. It was sunny and we often had a tailwind. We met people on yachts and kayaks along the way. We finally kicked off the swimming season and couldn't stop marveling at the beauty and uniqueness of our nature. Take the swallows, for example. They built their nests right in the riverbanks. In the video you can actually see their homes. It was quite difficult to find a spot to camp for the night because besides us there were a lot of other tourists on the river. Everyone wanted to make the most of these warm days. Our motor died and I was the only person paddling, so I was running out of energy. But finally we found it, the perfect spot by a pine forest. I set up the tent and gathered firewood. Luckily, there were plenty of dry fallen branches in the woods. We grilled some sausages, not without a little mishap, I must say. And sometimes I'm amazed at how grumpy my face can look when I'm not smiling. People often think I'm sad, even though that's not the case. On the first day we set a personal record. I should say we paddled 25 kilometers. However, the next morning greeted us with bad weather. It was raining. But we enjoyed our coffee, set off on the water and decided to shorten our road by 5 kilometers because we were freezing. We got to the shore, called a taxi and went back to the country house to warm up. Today is the second day of our boat trip and we are 15 kilometers away from our final destination. According to the weather forecast, we expected it would be 30 degrees today, and we expected it would be sunny. But as usual, it was raining in the morning, so I guess we are simply lucky. What I'm doing at the moment is painting the most important building on our countryside territory. You will ask, what is it? And I'll answer, it's the toilet. We have an outdoorsy toilet. Here it is. Yes, we don't have a toilet inside our house, so this building is extremely important.
Вот там ручка у тебя, вот неси вверх.
I'm sitting under one of the oldest apple trees on the territory of our countryside house. And in addition to its age, it also has the most delicious apples in my life. Here is how they look like. This apple grade becomes ripe quite early, and you may enjoy them in the middle of summer. It's so tasty. What's surprising is that apples on this tree taste different. For example, this apple is quite juicy and sour, but on the same day you may pick another apple and it will be sweet and soft. So apples are very different in hardness and richness. We had 2 more apple trees of this variety, but they unfortunately died of old age and there is only one left. What I'm afraid of is that we won't be able to find an apple tree of the same variety. When you buy an apple tree, you buy a seedling without fruit and can't check the variety. And in a few years, you find that the variety isn't what you need. It's the real truth, and I will say it's not as sweet as these apples. Very heavy one.